problem.
Okay, let me.
Okay, so yet another great day because we have our recent career comeback champion Himanshi from Career Comeback Hub. Himanshi, congratulations, warm welcome to this session. How are you feeling today?
A very good evening, Satyam. Thank you so much. I'm extremely happy and excited. Honestly, I had imagined myself here multiple times sharing my own success story. So today it is actually happening. It feels incredible, and I'm truly grateful for this moment. Thank you.
Awesome, awesome. I appreciate that. Thank you so much, Himanshi, for sharing. For the sake of all the amazing warriors inside the hive who can learn from your story, who can learn from your win, let's just decode your success story a little bit. So before we start on what happened with you after the success story, how long a career break did you have, and what were you doing before that?
Okay. So Satyam, I have around 13 years of corporate experience, working across multiple roles and industries. I have had the opportunity to work with organizations like Accenture, Z Entertainment, Excella, and FirstSource. Since my husband is in armed forces and transfers and relocations have always been part of my life. So every few years we would move to new city. Naturally, my first priority has always been to settle the family. So balancing family and career has always been a conscious choice for me. And honestly, this is my not my first career break. Every posting I have taken a couple of months break. This is the first time it got extended a bit. Um,
Hmm.
yes. So my most recent career break happened when these two things came together. My husband got posted to Delhi, and at the same time, I felt that I needed a fresh start professionally. I
Hmm.
was not happy in my job. The work culture, the environment was not really aligned with me. So I felt that this
Hmm.
is the right time to take a break and focus on my family, and then later I'll figure it out what I need to do in my professional life.
Wow.
Another reason was Satyam, my son was just 4.5, and he was going
Hmm.
to change his school for the fifth time. Imagine 4 years old, and
Wow.
it would be his fifth school. So
Hmm.
there was already so much changes happening around him, new city, new house. So we thought that, and it was a month of December. So we
Hmm.
thought of thought that instead of putting him into another school immediately, we would give him some time, and in the next 2-3 months there will be a next session. So we'll
Hmm.
directly send him into the next session. So I consciously decided to take a break of for around 6-7 months, and not just only for him but for myself and for the family to settle
Of
down
course.
into
Hmm.
this new space. Yes. Um, Yes, so once we got the house in Delhi, things started becoming stable. My son started going to daycare. Then as I started preparing for PMP, and I cleared the PMP. It was the month of February. And then, since I was on break, so I
Hmm.
attended family functions, wedding. I traveled a
Hmm.
lot. I took a solo
Hmm.
trip. Even I went to Europe.
Hmm.
And it was not like I was not doing anything in that break, but I was
Hmm.
actually enjoying that phase of my life.
Yes.
But somewhere at the back of my mind, there was always this voice saying, Himanshi, you need to get back to work now.
Hmm.
Always, always, even if, I'm partying, I'm
Hmm.
in my happiest state, but that voice was always there. So
Hmm.
after coming back from Europe in July 2025, I started thinking seriously about
Hmm.
my career. I started updating my CV, applying for jobs, and yeah, I mean thinking about whether I should continue this in the same field or I should change the
Hmm.
domain and all. Um, but I was very inconsistent, and nothing was certain. One day I'll apply for 10 jobs, and then for a whole week I would not do anything. I
Hmm.
will easily lose the focus and momentum. And in this journey, I came across this advertisement of CCH. I
Hmm.
registered for that 3 days ka bootcamp program.
When was this? When did you get
It
the first?
Yes, it was September 2025.
2025, September 2025. So till then your
Yes.
break was already of like how many months or year? It was
Yeah, it was just 6 months,
6 months. So you
seven
were
months,
into
seven,
six
seven
months,
months.
six,
Yes.
7 months of
So,
break.
so yeah, till the time I was completely comfortable because that was
Hmm.
a planned break for 7, 8 months.
Of course, you
I
wanted
thought
to
of that
take a
time.
break.
Yes, yes, yes. So no worries. And then since I guess July and all, I started thinking, why am I not taking it
Hmm.
seriously now? You need to go
Hmm.
back to work and all. So yes, I became part of cohort,
Hmm.
and the reason is, Satyam, I joined cohort because I could afford it, but I
Of
was not
course.
very active. Okay, there
Hmm.
was no other.
Hmm.
Uh,
So you
I
joined the
would
cohort
attend
in
the sessions.
September. You joined the cohort in
September, the
September. You would
third
have
day
attended the
itself.
masterclass cohort, but you were not
Yes.
very active.
No, whenever I used to, join the session, I would think like, okay, this is repetitive. I already
Hmm.
know this. Oh, the same thing happened in the previous class also. Every time
Hmm.
the class starts with the code of conduct and these things, right? Values.
Hmm.
So,
Hmm.
I wasn't really making most of the community. I mean, I just joined. Okay.
Hmm.
And the
Hmm.
another reason was then, around December, January, I started getting things started moving and I started getting interview calls. So my whole focus shifted
Right.
to preparing for interviews.
Hmm.
And by the end of the January, I thought, okay, my job search is finally over. I had cleared 3 rounds of interviews and submitted all my documents. I was just waiting for the offer
Awesome.
letter. And
Hmm.
but the offer letter never came. I kept waiting, 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 and
Okay.
for the whole month I did not do anything.
Hmm.
And somehow, I mean, a lot of things were happening around my personal life also. Uh, so I went completely off track for 2 months.
Hmm.
Then in the month of May, I kind of accepted, and I thought that I couldn't continue like this. I realized that I needed accountability. I needed
Hmm. Time to
a
take charge
community
of,
around me.
time to take charge.
Yes,
Hmm.
yes,
Yes. Keep going, Himanshi.
yes,
Yes, you were saying.
yes. And then I felt that Diamond could actually give me all this. Okay, I
Hmm.
was very, very well aware what Diamond does. It was only my mindset which was blocking me to join Diamond.
Hmm.
Somehow, I managed the money. I joined Diamond and decided that this time I would
When
genuinely
was
follow the
this?
system.
When
This
was
is in the
this?
month of May. So
So,
exactly
if
on
I
May,
understand it correctly, January you started getting interviews. February you
December.
almost thought that you have got the job, but then the offer letter did not come. And after that, some struggle period, some crisis period happened in personal life and stuff like that. And then you decided, okay, now you're going to take charge of your, time, career, life.
Yes,
May you actually took the action and you upgraded to diamond.
yes,
Got it.
yes.
Then how did the trajectory unfold?
And yes, so after joining Diamond, because it was a very conscious decision that I would follow the system this time because I have invested
Hmm.
money and I have already lost 1 year, right?
Correct.
So yeah, so I attended all the live classes, did my homework regularly. I joined my all my squad calls, worked on my LinkedIn profile. Slowly, I broke all the mental blockages which I had. Okay,
Hmm.
I attended Gen AI bootcamp. I worked on my Gen AI project. To be honest, nothing extraordinary, Satyam. Honestly, I just followed the system.
Hmm.
The calls which I used to feel that these are repetitive calls, now I started looking forward for these calls. And honestly,
Hmm.
every call I would learn something new. Sometimes
Hmm.
it is from the small wins, sometimes from my own learning, sometimes
Hmm.
somebody else's experience. Uh, and I would simply, get motivated by others' success. And
Awesome.
yes, and after some time, it was no more about the job.
Hmm.
It was much more than that. Um, uh, Especially those Monday Manthan sessions really helped me. I mean, it kind of healed me, helped me to understand myself better, um, showed me different ways of looking at things. And then, yes, within 90 days, I'm here um, holding an offer letter, Satyam. And
Awesome,
I,
awesome. I mean, really appreciate how you have crafted your journey, how you have shared that as well in detail, Himanshi. So, the right time. So it's normally said that whenever you are really ready, the solution appears, right? So I think you have
yes,
also experienced the same thing when you really wanted to do, when the intensity was really high to restart, to take charge, automatically you took action. And when you took action, things started unfolding well for you. Tell us about, so I understand the diamond calls, you said that you heard the wins, you got inspired, different sessions and everything, started taking accountability. How did this opportunity come to you and how did it unfold? And what was the difference between you who was, let's say, if
yes.
6 months back,
So
this,
this,
if 6 months or 1 year back, similar opportunity would have come, how you would have approached it differently, and how did you approach it when it came into you right now?
yes. So, Satyam, this opportunity came through a fellow warrior only. We were normally, discussing something else over a call, and she forwarded me a job opening, saying,
Mm,
"Okay, just check, because this is near to your home and all." And she's not applying because of XYZ reasons and all. Okay,
mm,
I didn't do anything for almost a week. Then
wow. Mm,
one day, I mean, after a week, I was applying for other jobs, and I thought, okay, let me check on that opportunity. I called the HR. We had a initial round of discussion, and the very next day, I was called for a face-to-face interview to their office.
mm,
And because the office was nearby, I went there, and uh, it was a very detailed interview, as you know. It went for almost 5 hours,
mm.
and
Wow.
since it was a startup, it was more of an open discussion. I put
Mm,
forward my 10 years of experience, my learnings, also my Gen AI knowledge I had
mm,
gained recently. We talked about all the aspects of our learnings, how we can grow a business. I mean, it was not a typical interview. It was a discussion.
mm.
I mean, it was
Kind of
it
a
was very
collaborative discussion.
different.
Like if two people are
Yes,
collaborating,
yes.
then how the discussion would happen, something like that.
Yes, yes, it was very
Mm,
different, and I would say, for the longest period of time, I used to think that I've shared this earlier also. I used to think that I am not an expert in my field because every time, every job, I am changing my profile, changing my roles and
mm,
responsibilities, and I have to, work from the start, from the scratch. Um,
mm.
but in this interview, all these learnings helped. So it was the collab of all the learnings in my a long career. So I'm really grateful for this. Yes, I realized at the interview, Satyam.
Awesome, awesome. I mean, I really like, so because during your interview you were also in touch with him, we are exchanging messages. So I really like the flow of the interview, the
Yes,
way you evaluated the thought process behind it. It was really amazing. And since you have already started,
yes.
how is it going? How is your experience going on in
Uh,
this new thing?
yeah, Satyam, I have not started
Okay.
yet. I'll be starting from 1st of the September.
Okay, awesome. So 1 week down the line, you'll be starting. So that would be your
Yes,
first day. Awesome, amazing.
yes,
So Himanshi, tell us, like, since you saw ups and downs, so maybe the period of career break was lesser as compared to other warriors, but you saw a lot of frequent ups and downs during this period itself. One, when you wanted to chill, wanted to have a break, peace of mind, then suddenly you wanted to do something, then some crisis happens, then some, almost you got a job, but then no offer letter. So all these ups and downs, and then you entered diamond into this particular hive and started shifting your energies. In these times, what kind, if the women warriors who are actually going through these times, a lot of ups and downs, right, when they are on a break and trying to restart, what kind of things helped you out the most?
yes. As I always said, Satyam, I have learned so much through this career comeback journey. Uh, After a period, it was not only about the job. So
Hmm.
I realized that, I'm not alone anymore. I have a community. Um, I know what to do and whom to reach out when I'm stuck. So I would
Mm,
tell everyone that make use of this community, make use of the system. All
yeah.
these steps, right? Self-analysis, goal setting, upskilling, profile building, all these have a meaning. I mean, we should be grateful that we don't need to work on this. It is already set in the system, and we just need to follow the system. And we have, a proof that the system works perfectly.
Mm,
So just follow the system. I have also learned the importance of gratitude. I'm especially thankful to my commander Neha for that. I have had so many realization about how our thoughts and mindset works. So
mm,
I would see this CCH or a diamond journey in two parts. One, which helps me to get back to my professional journey, and another is which helped me to align with myself. Uh, so I mean, I have a realization how my thoughts and my mindset works. So I don't look at these months as a career break now. I look
mm.
at them as a period of learning and growing, learning which I'll take, you know, lifelong. Um,
Amazing.
so yes, so for all warriors, just follow the system. There is no magic, no extraordinary things, just simple, keep taking actions. That's it. That's it. Yeah.
Awesome, awesome. Thank you so much. Very inspiring, Imanshi. Towards conclusion, if you have to give top three suggestions to the entire. So I'm not saying just there are warriors in the diamond hive, there are warriors in the cohort, and there are warriors otherwise outside the cohort as well who would be going through this phase of career comeback. They want to restart. They are also going through the process, but then sometimes the emotional ups and downs come in. Sometimes they'll feel, will it happen? Will it not happen? During these phases, what should be what should be your suggestion to them? Top three things that they should focus on.
Okay. Um, First, for me, the first thing would be work on your mindset, find your purpose. Okay. The second thing I would say, keep taking actions, create momentum.
Hmm.
Small actions done consistently can create big changes. The
Yes.
third for in the career comeback journey is profile rebuilding. Work on your
Hmm.
LinkedIn, work on your profile, your portfolio. It is going to help you out in finding a new
Awesome.
job.
Awesome. Awesome. Thank you so much, Imanshe. This was really, really great. I mean, your story has already been shared in bits and pieces during our LCCs and ICCs when you restarted, but now a full-fledged success story so that people can know you. And this will, because it came directly from your heart, will be inspiring all the women warriors inside and outside our cohort as well. And may your story create many more success stories for women who want to restart post-break. So thank you so much for this.
Thank you, Satyam. Thank you. Really grateful for this. Thank you.
All the best. I'll just stop the recording.
Sure.
Awesome.